Welcome back, everybody. So, guys, here I'm just going to teach you another thing from this big project. And what I'm going to add for now, this one is a single hello. I just want to add some more things here. First of all, I'm just going to divide this. I'm just going inside. For now, I'm just pressing inner here. That slash should be removed now. And inner here, and here, and then inside. So, what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm just gonna divide it into parts. Class, top, and button. Okay, so now I'm just copying, actually cutting the single item, and okay, the single item is perfect, but I'm just going to the style.css, and what I'm just doing, I'm just pressing enter and putting a point and just typing top and then the bottom. Looking awesome. Now in a top, what I'm just doing, I'm just cutting this maroon and just pasting this in a top area, only the top area, not the bottom area. Okay, now some other things we just need to do for the top area, I'm just gonna do as well them. Basically just adding the height 200 px for the top one. Okay, I'm just copying all these things as it is here, but I'm just changing the background color. I'm just putting here the blue just for testing. Okay, so we now go to the browser and refresh the page. So now this is what I've just created. Well, go back to the notepad and it should be 100 px and refresh. Now this is actually what I just want, but I'll just change the color theme as well. So for now, exactly these are not important things. I'm just deleting them. I'm just saving and going back to the browser and refreshing. This is actually a single biscuit, like a biscuit, but here I will add the products. So what more thing I'm gonna do, I'm just going there and adding the border for now. Solid 2px or 1px is okay, and the color must be black. So I now go back to the browser and refresh the page again. Now you can see that this is what I've created, but this is not looking really super because here it's actually having some rough space. I just need to remove that rough space. So what I'm just doing, I'm just going to the style.css, and at the very top I'm just making the no padding class, a new css here, no padding, and the policy for the no padding is padding 0. Okay, now save and now go to the index.php, and here I'm just applying the no padding class, which means I just don't want any padding for these column. Okay, not that one, only these one. Save and now go to the browser and refresh the page. This is like that, looking awesome. Go back to the notepad, and now I'm just going to the bottom area and another div, and this is the class item title. Right now I'm just setting the default title. I can update that as well. So now I'm just typing the beautiful watch, whatever. So now I just need to go to the style.css, and I'm just going to call that item title. Go inside, and now I'm just going to add the color white. Save and now go to the browser and refresh the page. So now you can see that the beautiful watch is here, looking great, but not very great because we just didn't add any specific style with this. So now I'm gonna add the other things. I'm just adding the font size. Before adding the font size, I'm just going to the next.php and just making it the h2 or h3 is awesome. Why I'm making this h3? Because according to this SEO point of view, this is really important to make the title as the heading, so it can be picked up by the search engines very fast. So by the way, go to the browser again, refresh the page. Now you can see that this beautiful watch. What more I'm going to do, I'm just going to go to the style.css, and basically I'm just going to add the margin. The rule for the h3 is they add the margins by default 0. I just want 0 margin. Refresh the page. Now this is looking awesome, but not very awesome as I said. So what I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna press enter, and I'm just setting the padding from the top, the 10 pixels. I'm just setting the padding from the top only, so refresh the page and now you can see that there is a padding. And what more, the second step I just need to do, I'm just going to the notepad and basically I'm just going to change this blue color, which is not looking really cool. I'm just going to make it light blue just to test out. Refresh and now go to the browser and refresh. This is looking fine but not really beautiful. So what to do, just leave that, just leave for now. I'm just going there and I'm just making it the maroon and saving. Now go to the browser and refresh the page. Now this is what I've made and now it's looking not very bad, actually perfect. So what more I'm going to do, I'm going to add the other things like the price and a discounted price. So I'm going to add the price and a discount price here, going to the notepad and going to the index.php, and after this h3 I'm adding the div class pull right. I'm just typing here, for example, the 500 was the previous rate. Save and now refresh. Okay, the 500 is there, and going back to the notepad and just duplicating that. Now here I'm just typing not the 500 anymore. I'm just making it 450. For example, I'm just giving the discount of 50. You can say $50, or according to your currency, whatever currency you want for your online shopping business. So save it, and I'm gonna do some more things here. I'm adding the DL and cover this up. The DL here, the covered. Now save it. Now go to the browser and refresh. Now this is what I just want, looking perfect. And then go back to the notepad and here I'm just gonna do some more things. They both are coming in the same line, so I'm just gonna break that by adding the clear fix class. Clear fix class. Now save and now go to the notepad, the browser again, and refresh that. Now it is what I just want. So go to the notepad again and I'm just gonna give them in a specific class where by using that class I'll be able to install them using the installer.css file. So now I'm just adding here something like just putting the value as the price or the cutted price, and here I'm adding the another class discounted price. Spelling should be clear, discounted price. Great. Now what I just need to do, I just need to go to the installer.css again, and here I'm just pressing enter and just adding the cutted price because I just want to add the CSS to that. Now then the discounted price, this is looking awesome. They both are. Now the color for the cutted price is I'm adding as, why not I just add the muted text class here instead of the adding the color from the CSS. Muted text. Save and now go to the browser and refresh that. This one, oh, it's not applied. The reason was it is actually the text muted. Save and now go back to the browser and refresh that. You can see that the muted text hasn't applied. But for now, this is actually looking worst. This one, the blue area, the light blue area. I'm just making this by default. Remove that. Refresh the page. Now this is what I just want. Looking great, not bad. So go to the notepad again and I'm just gonna add some more things. So here in a cutted price, I'm just making it as it is, or just setting the font size to make the font size of my own choice, 18 pixels. Save and now go to the browser and refresh that. Yeah, it's looking fine now. And then the margin from the right side, 10 pixels. Save and now go to the browser and refresh that. Now it's looking perfect. If I just make it 20 pixels, so refresh that, it's also not bad. And the margin is also good. So I'm just copying both things and just pasting in a discounted price and save. And now go to the browser back and refresh that. Okay, this one, what I just want. So what more I just want to do, I'm just going to do something with this title. So go back to the browser and there is a title. I'm adding the margin. I just don't want a margin from the top, but I'm going to add an inner and the margin left, and I'm adding 10 pixels for now. Save and now go to the browser and refresh that. Now here you can see that I've added the 10 pixels and that's looking perfect actually. And what more, just gonna make the height a little big. If I just make it 350 pixels, so save and refresh that now. This is looking a little more, so the 320 pixels, refresh that now. It's looking fine. So now I've added two things here, the watch and the, you can see that the price. Now I'm just gonna go to the browse the index.php, and here I'm adding the dollar sign, press space, and now dollar sign there as well, save, and now go to the browser back and refresh that. It's looking little professional. Go back to the notepad, and what I'm just going to do more, I'm just going to do style.css, and here I'm adding some kind of color for now because I just chose the maroon, so I'm just adding the maroon here as well. Refresh that, and now this is what I've added. And some more things, because this is the price, which is actually the discounted price, so I'm just going there and I'm just making it, or here just press enter, and the font style italic, save, and now go back to the browser and refresh that, and now you will see this is in italic way, looking awesome. Well guys, in the next class we'll do some more things. Stay tuned and goodbye.